guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm eating Cheetos with a special guest, obviously, Mia, which you guys have already seen her, maybe, in another video.
I'm not telling you what video, you have to find it out.
Cheetos are so good.
So today, I think me and Ross are playing a game.
Yeah, we're playing a game with these Cheetos. It's where you get a Cheeto, and then the other person will have to try to find like a match that's the closest to it, like that.
And then you get it, and then each person gets to eat it.
Yeah.
So let's get on with the video. We're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to go first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, shit.
This is scissors.
I was trying to do scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wait, what'd you do before?
I did rock.
Wait, restart.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, dang it. So,
One more time.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang it. Okay, so I get it.
I was about to go
she
like-
gets to go first.
Okay.
So she blindfolded
This
you?
one.
Okay, so that's gonna be hard, guys.
How long is it? Oh.
It has like a curve. Okay, that's as good as I can get it. It had a little curve.
Oh, yeah.
So this is our match for that one. Now it's my turn. And this one, can I see it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm uncovering my eyes. I'm not cheating, guys. And Rosa knows.
I mean, that's close enough.
Okay, can I open my eyes?
Yeah.
Oh, that is pretty good. Okay, Rosa's turn.
I'm gonna pick this one.
Oh, that's a pretty decent one. Oh, that's pretty close.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So these are our matches. Okay.
Why do
my
I keep
turn.
on doing that? I keep on biting it in the middle.
This one, can I see?
Okay.
I'm taking off of like my hands. Okay, can I open?
Not yet. I'm trying to find. Oh, maybe this one. Maybe we can find a different one. We'll just.
And you can switch your thing like 3 times. Yeah.
I guess this is. Oh wait, this one.
Can I open?
Okay.
accidentally-
I'm gonna trade it back to.
I
the one.
accidentally opened them and then you weren't done. Like I wasn't cheating though. Like I barely saw like yellow. Okay, Rosin's turn. And you can put it back 3 times. Okay. Not that bad, not that bad.
Can you see?
Yeah, they can see. Oh, that's close enough. That's close enough. There you go. I'm like right there. Keep it right. No, you're putting it way too close to the camera.
Like right here.
No. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's try this one, guys. Rosin is close to the camera again. Okay, that's close enough. Okay.
Yeah, that's close enough. Sorry, guys. I just had to do that.
Okay, my turn. And this one, can I see it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm taking my hand off of my eyes, guys. I'm not cheating. Look.
Good enough.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, Rosin's turn.
We have this one.
Okay, that's pretty good. It's pretty decent. They can see it. Oh,
Ah! Where am I? Oh, there it is.
She didn't see
I
mine.
can't even see yours.
I mean,
I
let's
felt
see.
your fingers.
Let's see if we can find a different one. Oh, that's better. Okay, this is our match. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I was gonna do this one, but okay.
Okay. Oh, that's gonna be.
Where'd
Yeah,
it
you
go?
already picked that one.
Where'd it go?
Here, it's right here. It's right here.
Put it in my hand.
That's gonna be kind of hard.
Can they see it?
Yes.
Watch me.
Mia.
What's up?
Maybe I can find a different one. Maybe this one. I think the one before was better. Okay, this is my last time.
3, 2, 1.
Good enough.
Okay, Robin's turn. Okay.
Oh, that looks kind of hard to swallow when you have like
Hold it still. Oh, I can find a better one. Okay, that's as good as we're gonna get in.
okay. Hey, mine has a curve.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
This one.
Okay. Yeah, they can see it. Let's try.
What is our time at?
Oh, that looks weird.
What is our time at?
Our time is at 5 minutes and 58 seconds. So pretty much 6 minutes. Okay. Yours is weird, but
Okay, open.
match. Yeah.
Robin's turn. Ooh, okay. Okay, we're gonna do. Stay still. Well,
I am staying still.
that's good. Okay, we might do this one. That's our first one. This is my second one. Oh, that works. Okay, open your eyes.
Oh, yeah. Hey, yours kind of had a curve
I
to
was
it,
gonna
too.
do this too. I was gonna do that one, but I did not. Okay, my turn. There's a curve. We have so many candy canes.
Okay, yeah. That's good.
Okay.
Open.
Oh, that is good. Robin's turn. Oh, that's gonna be hard. Girlie, why'd you pick that one?
I just picked one.
That's not gonna cut it. Ooh, this might. Yeah, that's work. Look.
Oh, yeah.
That's really good. My turn.
Okay. Let's try this piece. I can find a better one than that. Ooh, let's try this one. Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh, that's good. Okay.
Well, that is good.
I was going to do this one,
Oh.
but I was thinking it was too big.
No problem.
Okay.
Ooh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna show the camera a little sneak peek. No, don't show it. No. Rosa,
Hey!
hold it. Oh my gosh, Girlie.
That was not mine. Mine was thicker than that.
No, that was yours, I swear.
You ready to open?
No, I'm not.
No, mine didn't have a curve.
That is yours, I swear. That's not gonna work. Oh, Rosa, keep still. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. I mean, it's not the best.
Oh gosh, I have this all over my hand.
I didn't see it.
Yeah.
Why'd you take it?
That's what you did to me. Okay, good enough. That was yours. You guys even know.
Okay, and let's just eat the Cheetos now.
Yeah, I wanted to. Go.
It's gonna end soon, guys.
We still have all of these Cheetos.
I don't know. I'm not the channel girl, but bye.
Yeah. Bye, guys. Love ya. Mwah.